Hi, welcome to vteachacademy.com. So in this presentation, let us learn the multiplication of fractions. So what is 2 by 3 of 2 by 5? So in the fractions, this of represents multiplication, which is nothing but 2 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 5. So in order to make you understand the concept of multiplication, let me explain you with a rough diagram over here. Now in this rectangle, I have made 5 equal parts vertically. So the 2/5 part over here is this part. So let me shade this part with some cross lines over here. Now this shaded part represents the 2/5 part over here. Now let me show you the 2/3 part. So now in order to find the 2/3 part, let us divide this rectangle into 3 equal parts horizontally. Now this represents the 2/3 part over here. So let me shade again this 2/3 part with the cross lines. Now the 2/3 of 2 by 5 is nothing but the intersection part over here. So let me show you with a different color. So the portion that is in the red color is the 2/3 of 2 by 5. So number of boxes here are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 divided by the total number of parts in a whole, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 4 by 15 is 2/3 of 2 by 5. Now if you observe this is nothing but the product of numerators, that is 2 2s is 4, and the product of denominator, that is 3 5s is 15. Hence, in short, the product of fractions is equals to the product of numerator by the product of denominator. Now with the same concept, let us try to solve few more examples. So in the first example over here, the product of numerators is 4 into 7 by the product of denominator, that is 3 into 6, which is nothing but 4 7s is 28 and 3 6 are 18. Now in the second example, product of numerator 5 times 3 by the product of denominator, that is 2 times 7, which is nothing but 5 3s is 15 and 2 7s are 14. So 15 by 14 is the result. 4 5 by 2 multiplied by 3 by 7. Now let's go with the third example. The product of numerator over here is 12 5s are 60 and the product of denominator is 7 6 are 42. Now let's go with the last example. So the product of numerator is 4 7s are 28 by the product of denominator is 11 6 are 66. Now the 28 by 66 is a result for 4 by 11 multiplied by 7 by 6. So hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to vteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.